so excited.
Oh my gosh.
So we were sent, Abby and me, we were both sent this new ballet subscription service box.
Today we have a really exciting unboxing video. I never get to do anything like this.
But before we do, make sure you are subscribed here to Ballerinas by Night for adult ballet content. We have tutorials and vlogs and things like this and anything adult ballet related that encourages dance for any age, any level, any body type. Give us a follow if that inspires you.
This is the Prima pack, and the box itself looks really cool. It says keep your dance game on point, and it has pictures of little dancers. www.theprimapack.com. And I'm so excited to open this. I feel like I'm just like a little bitty child on Christmas because, you know, like I never spend money on myself. If I do, it's like, let me get the cheapest leotard possible just because all my other ones are like falling apart and I've been wearing them for 20 years.
So let's open this. Here we go. All wrapped up in this pretty purple paper.
Oh, I hate to tear it. It's so pretty. Ah. Oh my gosh.
We have some fun things it looks like. Maybe even a leotard at the bottom of that pile. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I see. So they give you this little card and it tells you what all is in the box. Okay, maybe I'll read them to you as I pull up the products. Okay, so they have a foot rubs ball in here. I actually don't even own one of these, so this is fantastic. The foot rubs by Due North is a must-have in every dance bag. I agree.
I've had this brand and it is amazing. This is like some of the best little massage balls on the market, I think, because it uses acupressure techniques. It has all these little like kind of spiky things, but they don't feel spiky. It just gets like right into your muscle. It feels so good. Oh my gosh, you're gonna love this. And this size is really good. Like it says hand and foot. If you like roll your foot out on this, it's gonna feel amazing.
Let's see, and then we've got something called the Mini Plus Makeup Eraser. This thing, it's a pink giant eraser, it looks like.
Has anybody used these? Is this one of those deals? Is it like a magic eraser that I clean my house with? Oh wait, no. This looks like a... Oh, it just looks like a little washcloth almost. I was half expecting this to look like the magic erasers for cleaning. Like, I'm gonna magic erase my face. So how does it take the makeup off? What am I doing to myself? It says wet portion of makeup eraser, drenched wet, use warm water. Gently rub off makeup in circular motion. Wow. This is like really cool, you guys.
Let's see, and then we have a leotard. Oh, this looks pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Holy cow.
Whoa, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I hope it fits. It looks like it's gonna fit. It's got like mesh at the top. Oh my gosh. You know, this is the thing, like I see my students wearing cute stuff like this all the time. I never have anything like that. And look at the back. The back's got like kind of a low back that looks really nice. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try it on. I'm so excited.
Oh wow, and I like that the straps are like, that they're thicker. Curious how this is gonna work on me with my big boobs. Sometimes this like mesh panel thing doesn't look as good on me because there's just more to like fit in, and sometimes the mesh panel gets pulled down and it becomes like a heavy cleavage panel. I'm really curious to try this. It's a beautiful leotard, oh my goodness. And then there's a pair of pink tights. Love the look of pink tights. I'm just not ever brave enough to wear them to class. But I do have a performance coming up in a few weeks. And I imagine I will need some pink tights for that, so this could be convenient. These convertible tights from Pink Tights Black Leo are triple seamed with flat seams and an ultra soft knit-in waistband for maximum comfort and durability.
Oh my gosh, okay, I want to see these actually because I want to see with tights. Like I'm always interested in like what the waistband is and like how they feel. Ooh. Yay. All right, so I've just gotten to the point in my life that I can't deal with like a regular waistband, but they've got that nice waistband where they're just stretchy because I cannot deal with a regular waistband anymore. If it's like cutting into me, I'm just like, no, done.
Oh, look how thick that waistband is. That's nice. Wow, these are really, really soft. Super soft. They're convertible, so that's good.
Really, and they're super soft. Oh my gosh, they're soft. They're very, very pink, but I don't mind that. Wish I could just like send you like the ability to feel these through the screen because these are so soft.
Looks like they've also, oh my goodness, there's like a bag in here. What in the world? Oh my god, it's like a giant dance bag. You guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a huge dance bag, like a duffel bag. A duffel dance bag. You can see in there. I bring a lot of stuff to class, and then most of the time I only end up wearing my ballet flats, and that's it. But like I carry all of it with me, because you never know. But I guess I have been doing more point work lately, and so I like to bring a couple different pairs of shoes depending on what's happening with my body and my feet that day. So it's like my bag can get full real quickly. Oh, I see. So it's got like straps where you can hold it like this, and then it also has like a giant crossbody. This is gonna be great for when I'm traveling. Oh my gosh. So exciting. Thank you, Prima Pack. This is awesome.
Well, I want to say a big thank you to the Prima Pack for putting this together. I can't say I haven't used a lot of other subscription boxes because it's just not something in my budget, but this is one that I would do partially just because I don't know, you know, what it would always be, but this tights and leotard are enough to sell me on it. I'm so stinking excited. So thank you so much, Prima Pack, and I cannot wait to put this stuff to good use. So we will link to them below, and have a great day. Bye.